Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 5 large egg yolks, and 1 vanilla pod split and scraped or 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Add a pinch of fine salt, and if desired, 2 tablespoons light corn syrup or glucose to improve texture. Warm the dairy gently in a medium saucepan over medium-low heat until it reaches about 170 degrees F, stirring so the sugar dissolves and the vanilla infuses. Then remove from heat and let steep for 10 minutes. In a bowl, whisk 5 large egg yolks with 3/4 cup sugar until pale and slightly thick. That aerates and stabilizes the texture. Temper the yolks by pouring a thin stream of the warm milk and cream mixture into the yolks while whisking steadily, then return everything to the saucepan. Heat gently, stirring constantly, until the custard reaches 175 degrees F and thickly coats the back of a spoon. Do not boil. Remove from heat. Strain through a fine sieve into a clean bowl and cool over an ice bath to stop cooking. After straining, cover the custard with plastic touching the surface and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. Aging improves flavor and texture. When cold, churn in your ice cream machine according to manufacturer directions until it reaches a soft serve consistency, typically 20 to 30 minutes. Transfer to a lidded container. Press parchment on top to prevent ice crystals, then freeze for 4 hours to harden. Serve scoops slightly softened at room temperature for 5 minutes. Drizzle warm sauce or fold in chocolates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.